Hi, welcome to my channel Industry 4.0. Today, in this video, you will learn about artificial intelligence and Industry 4.0. Please like and share the video and subscribe to my channel. So, let's start. Introduction. Much of the hype nearby artificial intelligence in manufacturing is focused on industrial automation. On the other hand, this is just one aspect of the smart factory revolution, a natural next step in the chase of efficiency. What artificial intelligence additionally brings to the producing desk is its functionality to open up absolutely new avenues for business. Below is a précis that covers each of those factors of artificial intelligence in the Industry 4.0 paradigm, and the way this effective generation is already being utilized by producers to pressure performance and enhance great and higher control delivery chains. Artificial Intelligence and Industry 4.0. Industrial AI's impact on manufacturing. Artificial intelligence's effect on production can be prepared into 5 fundamental areas: predictive quality and yield, predictive maintenance, human-robotic collaboration, generative layout, market adaptation/supply chain. Now, we will address each one as predictive quality and yield. Reducing manufacturing losses and stopping manufacturing procedure inefficiencies has constantly been a steady battle for producers of all stripes. Today, that is truer than ever, as developing calls for meets improved competition. On the only hand, purchasers' expectancies are better than ever. Earlier than international patron conduct is gradually westernizing, at the same time as the populace increase continues. According to several surveys in current years, the worldwide populace will develop with an aid of using 25% with the aid of using 2050, equating to a few 200,000 extra mouths to feed each day. On the alternative hand, purchasers have by no means had such a lot of options to be had to them, in nearly every product imaginable. Recent surveys imply that this wealth of alternative method purchasers is an increasing number, possibly to completely ditch even their favored manufacturers if, for instance, a product isn't to be had on the shelf. Against this sort of backdrop, producers can now no longer have the funds to take procedure inefficiencies and their related losses in their stride. Every loss in phrases of waste, yield, rate, or throughput chips away at their backside line and fingers any other inch to the competition, assuming their manufacturing techniques are greater efficient. The task for lots producers, specific people with complicated techniques, is they subsequently hit a tumbler ceiling in phrases of procedure optimization. Some inefficiency doesn't have any apparent cause, and procedure specialists are left at a loss to give an explanation for them. Predictive quality and yield makes use of industrial artificial intelligence to show the hidden reasons for the perennial manufacturing losses producers face on a day-by-day basis. This is finished through continuous, multivariate analysis and the usage of machine learning algorithms which are uniquely skilled to in detail apprehend every person manufacturing procedure. The precise AI/machine learning method used right here is termed supervised getting to know, in which the set of rules is skilled to discover tendencies and styles within the information. Automated pointers and indicators can then be generated to tell manufacturing groups and procedure engineers of a drawing close problem, and seamlessly proportion vital know-how on the way to save you the losses earlier than they happen. Predictive maintenance. Predictive renovation is one of the maximum fundamental and famous packages of industrial AI. Instead of appearing renovation consistent with a predetermined schedule, predictive renovation makes use of algorithms to expect the subsequent failure of a component/device/device, after which indicators employees to carry out targeted renovation approaches to save you the failure, however now no longer too early as a way to waste downtime unnecessarily. Again, predictive renovation structures rely upon machine learning strategies to formulate their predictions, albeit in exceptional category, unsupervised getting to know, in preference to supervised. The blessings are several and may considerably lessen expenses whilst casting off the want for deliberate downtime in lots of cases. By preempting a failure with a device, getting to know a set of rules, structures can keep featuring without useless interruptions. When the renovation is needed, its much targeted technicians are knowledgeable of the additives that want an inspection, restoration, and replacement, which equipment to use, and which strategies to follow. Predictive renovation additionally ends in an extended remaining useful life (RUL) of equipment and device, have given that secondary harm is avoided whilst smaller exertions forces are had to carry out renovation approaches. Human-robotic collaboration. Human-robotic collaboration. According to the International Federation of Robotics (IFR), as of the year 2020, an anticipated 1.64 million commercial robots had been in operation worldwide. The trendy method is that as jobs get taken over with the aid of using robots, people might be provided schooling for better stage positions in programming, layout, and renovation. In the meantime, the performance of human-robotic collaborative paintings is being stepped forward as production robots are authorized for paintings along with humans. As the adoption of robotics in production increases, AI will play a prime element in making sure of the protection of human employees, in addition to giving robots greater duty to make choices which could similarly optimize techniques primarily based totally on real-time information amassed from the manufacturing floor. Generative layout. Manufacturers also can employ synthetic intelligence inside the layout section. With a simply described layout quick as input, designers and engineers can employ an AI set of rules, typically known as generative layout software, to discover all of the feasible configurations of an answer. The quick can encompass regulations and definitions for fabric types, manufacturing strategies, time constraints, and financial limitations. The set of answers generated with the aid of using the set of rules can then be examined by the usage of the device getting to know. The checking out section offers extra facts approximately which ideas/layout choices worked, and which did now no longer. In this way, extra upgrades may be made till the most effective answer is found. Market adaptation/supply chain. Artificial intelligence permeates the whole Industry 4.0 atmosphere and isn't most effectively restrained to the manufacturing floor. One instance of that is using AI algorithms to optimize the delivery chain of producing operations and to assist them with higher replies to, and anticipating, modifications inside the marketplace. To assemble estimations of marketplace calls, a set of rules cannot forget to call for styles categorized with the aid of using date, location, socioeconomic attributes, macroeconomic behavior, political status, climate styles, and greater. This is groundbreaking for producers who can use this fact to optimize stock control, staffing, strength consumption, and uncooked materials, and make higher economic choices concerning the company's strategy.